In the case of dental implants, individuals are concerned about their cost. Implants are a common option for replacing teeth that are missing. However, the cost can differ greatly depending on the place you reside. In this clip, we'll compare the costs for dental implant in Europe with those found located in Turkey. Europe is renowned for its top-quality healthcare, which includes dental treatment. But it is not without cost. Dental implants cost in Europe vary from about €1,000 to €3,000 for an implant, dependent on the location and the dental clinic. For countries such as Germany, France, and the UK, the cost of implants is higher of the spectrum, which makes it challenging for many to pay for this procedure. However, Turkey has become a well-known tourist destination for dental travel due to the lower cost as well as high-quality treatment. Dental implants cost in Turkey could range between €500 up to €1,500 for an implant, which is considerably less than Europe. This is what makes Turkey an appealing option for people looking to cut costs on dental implants without losing the quality. One of the primary factors behind the low price of dental implants in Turkey is the low costs of living and salaries in comparison to Europe. Dental clinics located in Turkey to provide competitive rates and still maintain high standards of treatment. A lot of dental practices located in Turkey utilize the same equipment and technology that clinics use in Europe. Patients can be sure of the same high-quality care. Another reason for the low cost for dental implant surgery within Turkey is the government's assistance to the health industry. It is true that the Turkish administration has invested substantial investment in the healthcare infrastructure, which has made it much easier for dental clinics to run effectively and provide affordable rates for patients. This has helped make Turkey the top option for dental tourism, which is why thousands of people travel across the border each year to receive dental treatment. Alongside the reduced price, a lot of patients opt for Turkey to get dental implants due to its reputation as a leader in the field of dental treatment. Turkish dentists are well-trained and skilled in implants, and they have multiple languages in order to provide care to patients from all over the world. Patients will receive individual attention and care throughout their procedure, which will ensure satisfaction from beginning until the end. In general, the price of implant dentistry in Turkey is considerably less than Europe, which makes it an ideal choice for patients seeking to cut costs on treatments for their teeth. High-quality treatment, highly experienced dentists, and government assistance in the field of healthcare, Turkey offers a competitive alternative in dental tourism. Patients can count on receiving the highest quality of care for a fraction of the price, which makes the ideal choice for people who require dental implants.